Welcome to this vlog. So this vlog is all about you generating a massive passive income off the back of Zenler's partner program. So affiliates use our high commission partner program to earn up to $570 per paid referral. And this is what this blog is all about. Now I'm going to go through some of the highlights, but you can check out the blog by following the link in the description. So let me just narrate what's going on in the blog, and if you want to read it all, just head over to the blog, see the link in the description, and you can find out more. So welcome to Zenler's partner program, where you can earn up to 40% commission on affiliate sales and an additional 5% on the tier 2 commission referral. Zenler partner program is a high earning commission, and it's done with ease, guys. And I'm going to tell you how it works. So as a Zenler referral partner, you can earn up to 40% commission for every pro or premium sign up. The referral cookie assigns any upgrade to your partner account, making it easy to track and earn from your referrals. So you don't want to miss this opportunity. You can earn up to, on tier 1 commission, ranging from $250 to $570 for each upgraded referral. Additionally, you can get a tier 2 commission of between $32 and $72. That's an extra 5% from a tier 2 sign up. Okay, when your referral upgrades, you'll continue to earn as long as your referral remains on the Zenler platform. So we've given you an easy guide on what you need to do to follow that. You can follow that and have a look at that. There's a workshop running in the actual blog itself that you can follow right the way through. But I'll just take you the steps and how easy it is to set up. First of all, you need a Zenler account. Then you log in and set up your referral partner program. You grab the link, you share it with your audience, and you watch the earnings roll in. It's really that similar. So that's simple. And with massive commissions, we are top commission on online platforms with 40% plus second tier 5%. It's absolutely huge. We outrank everybody else in lots of the other features as well, such as cookie duration, where we have up to a year the cookie becomes still active. You set those times yourself as well, guys. So you can set it to 365, or you can set it to 1 day if you want. It's really up to you. We give you complete control over the cookie duration. So how does it track? So it tracks via cookies. So a computer is a cookie. A computer cookie is a data marker placed on your device by a site. It tracks interactions, preferences, and customizations, retaining logins and aiding in targeted content. It can raise privacy concerns, but browser offer control over cookies, which they have a varied expiration. Balancing personalization and privacy is a key for cookie control. This is for the end user. So Zenler's cookie exactly does that. It drops it when you send the referral link out. As long as they sign up, the referral becomes yours. It's as simple as that. Okay. So you have two choices for using the referral link. Using the generated link is the easiest way. As soon as they sign up for the partner program link, you're already in the referral. So they already become part of your referral. Now Zenler also has a custom referral link where you can send them anywhere on the internet, and you can just amend the very end of the URL and it will drop the cookie on their computer, and then they can go there. This can be really good if you're running something like a live event and you're telling people about the platform. The cookie will have already dropped once they registered, so you could just send them straight to Zenler, and you know that Zenler.com and it's going to go and they're going to be your referral. So you don't need to send them out the exact link. You can send them anywhere you like. It's a great thing about custom referrals. Guys, you can find out all about it here. I'll even take you through the steps of setting up the custom referral as well as the standard referral link for Zenler. So we have a special thing going on, the Shout About Zenler month for July 2024, just in case you're watching after. And this is just our drive, our push to get you guys using the referral link, because we realise that 95% of you are not course creators or in the remit of selling a platform. But I want to show you how easy it is to sell a platform, no matter what niche you're in. Guys, check out the blog post by following the link in the description, and stay tuned for more exciting vlogs from us at Zenler.